back to my channel, you guys. So before we jump into today's video, I just wanted to come and tell you guys all about Motivational Monday. So Motivational Monday was put together by Courtney from Mama Makes It Happen, you guys. So definitely check out her channel. So basically, Motivational Monday will consist of us ladies coming together to give you all the motivation that you need, whether it be in life, motherhood, being a wife, or just needing cooking, cleaning, and any other type of motivation in your daily life. So I hope there's something that you guys can take from each and every one of our channels, and that you will consider subscribing on the end. So we will be posting a video for Motivational Monday once a month. So hopefully you guys will get all the motivation that you need from either my channel or one of the other ladies. So definitely consider subscribing, you guys.
So in today's video, I'm just going to be doing a little bit cleaning up around my house. Definitely got to tackle this kitchen, you guys. It is a hot mess, okay? And that ain't no cap, okay? But no, y'all, I really do have to clean this kitchen. I need to do my dining room, and I also need to do my living room, the kids' bathroom, the kids' room, my room, and yada yada yada. Okay, y'all, so much to do. So if you guys are new to my channel, I'm ShesPrettyRedd. I am a mother of 9 children, and I know a lot of people are new to my channel, so you guys see me say mom of 8, mom of 9, you know, you're probably like, okay, I'm confused, what are you? You guys, I am a mom of 9. I did birth 9 beautiful children. One of my children actually passed away at 10 months. She was 8 months premature, so she was actually 10 months, but she was 8 months premature, if that makes any sense. So yeah, so I am a mom of 9, but I just wanted to give you guys a little backstory, because I know some people might be confused. So I do like to do cleaning, cooking, hair videos, makeup tutorials, get ready with me, you guys. I love to do it all on my channel, and I love to do vlogs, filming my family. So if that's some type of content that you guys love to watch or like to watch, definitely considering subscribing to my channel, you guys, and I promise you won't be disappointed, and you will fall in love with my family as well. So with that being said, if you are new, please go ahead and like this video. Make sure you guys subscribe, and make sure you guys share with your family and friends, because don't forget, you guys, sharing is caring. I love y'all, and I can share like video. Peace. Alright, y'all, so right now I'm about to clean my front door. It has crown drawn on it from London, Bella, and AJ. So we are about to clean this, and they also put it right here on my little entrance table. So yeah, I'm about to clean all this up, and I'm going to be using a magic erase magic erase what is it, sponge. So yeah, y'all. Yeah, I got the window open. Get Some fresh air blowing up in here. Get some fresh air in the house. It's cool today though, but we need some fresh air. Now look what we got. Say hi, Cairo. Hello, Cairo. Hi, my man. Hi, my man. Say hello, everybody. Say hello, Cairo. Hi. You watching mommy clean.